Tired of struggling to find that one important folder buried deep within your Dropbox? Let's fix that with a quick and essential skill, renaming your Dropbox folders right from your computer. Open your Dropbox desktop application. You'll see all your folders and files displayed just like in your File Explorer or Finder window. Locate the folder you wish to rename. Take your time to identify the exact one. Now, with your cursor positioned over the folder, perform a right-click. This will open up a context menu with several options. In this menu, look for and select the option that says Rename. It's usually towards the top or middle of the list. As soon as you click Rename, the folder's current name will become highlighted and editable. You can now delete the old name and type in your new, more descriptive name. Type in your new folder name. Think about what would make it easiest for you to find this folder in the future. Something clear and concise is best. Once you've entered your new name, simply click outside the highlighted text or press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the change. And just like that, your folder has been successfully renamed. This small change makes a big difference in keeping your digital workspace tidy and your important files easily accessible. Mastering simple tasks like renaming folders is key to effective file management. Stay organized with Dropbox.